Hi guys, just been cleaning out the nozzle from my 3D printer using the method where you heat it up, push some filament in it and then pull the filament back out again. I'll do a close-up in a minute, but I think you can see it was pretty black and horrible in there. It has been soaking in acetone for about a week or two, and I don't think that did very much. So I went for the other method, which is, as I say, heat it up and then push filament in it. So I'll just go to close-up mode. Well, that was a bit of a slip of the tongue. I forgot this camera or phone doesn't do video macro mode. It'll take photos in macro mode, but it won't do video. So I can just zoom in as close as I can, but not actually go right into macro. But you can see there's plenty of black bits there. That's all come out from inside the nozzle there. Not sure if this is in focus or not. But yeah, all that black stuff, that's where I've heated the nozzle up, pushed the filament in, and then pulled it back out again. I let the nozzle cool a little bit and then pulled it out, and that seemed to grab the muck that was in there and pull it out. And yeah, pretty filthy. Now, that may not have all been in there before I tried cleaning it. It could well be that cleaning it's actually made it worse with the acetone, because I then heated it up after I'd cleaned it with the acetone, and that may have put muck in there anyway. Or that may be genuinely what was in there. Either way, it's pretty horrible. So I'll put that nozzle back in at some time and give it a try, because it was supplied with 2 nozzles. I put the other one in and that works fine, but it would be nice to get this one working again. Up here, this sort of needle thing, that was supplied as well, so you could actually use it to clean out the nozzle. But it looks like, I can't remember what they call this method, pushing the filament in and pulling it out again. Something like cold pull or hot pull or something or other. I'd have to look it up again. But it seems, as I say, it seems to have worked. You can see there's real muck on the end of these bits and pieces. I kept doing it until this final one, which is out of focus, this one, that was the last one that I pushed in and pulled out, and that seems to have come out clean. So yeah, we'll have to see if it made any difference, because it really had gone badly wrong. I think it was that pink filament I had was causing the problem, causing the muck to build up, and yeah. Or it could have just been coincidence. When I changed to the pink, it had already overheated or something. I don't know, but it's working fine now. So we'll put this one back in at some time and see if that works too. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.